In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip tool, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now use this plus at the bottom in the middle and adjust your alarm however you want to. Start by setting up an hour at the top. Now pick repeat option, once, weekdays or custom. If you decided to select custom, click on days of the week. And to save them, hit save at the bottom right corner. Now tap on snooze, turn it off or on thanks to this switcher at the top, and if you decided to enable it, select how many minutes it will take and how many minutes it will repeat. Then go back. Click on alarm tone to pick one of those. Make sure to hit apply. Or select all ringtones at the bottom. Over here you can tap on music to access any song from your smartphone, click on it and hit OK to set it up. Or select one of those alarm tones and hit OK as well. Now use this switcher next to vibrate when ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Hit label and name it. To save its name, hit OK. Now to finally save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and tap on the same check mark. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick one of those options in the pop-up. You can turn it on by hitting gray switcher. To get rid of any alarm, hold the chosen one and tap on delete at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!